In this video, we will study about NCERT Class 6 Science, Chapter 3 Fiber to Fabric. Children, first you need to understand the sequence of changes. A fiber changes into a yarn and a yarn changes into a fabric. But the important question is, what are fibers? Fibers are thin, long and flexible strands or thread-like structures that we obtain from plants or animals. Fibers can be natural or synthetic. Fibers that are obtained from plants and animals are called natural fibers. They can again be subdivided into plant fibers and animal fibers. Fibers that we get from plants are called plant fibers, such as cotton, jute, coir, hemp, and flax. Fibers that we get from animals are called animal fibers, such as silk, wool, and camel yarn. Now let us see some sources and uses of plant fibers. Cotton. Cotton is a fiber that we get from the fruits of cotton plant. Cotton fibers can be converted into cotton dresses and shirts. It can be used in cotton buds also. Jute is a fiber obtained from the stem of jute plants. Jute fiber is strong and can take up weight, so it is used to prepare gunny bags for storing rice, wheat, etc. Coir fibers are obtained from the cover of coconut. Ropes and mats are a couple of things made from coir. Now let's come to the animal fibers. Silk. Silk is a protein fiber which is secreted by the larva of moths. Silk is used for making silk clothing like saris. It is a fabric that we use for special occasions because of its sheen and finish. Wool is a textile fiber obtained from sheep and other animals. Wool is used for making woolen clothing. Now it's time to understand how a yarn is made. This process is called spinning. The process of making yarn from fibers is called spinning. A simple device used for spinning is charkha. The clothing made from homespun yarn is known as khadi. Spinning of yarn on a large scale is done with the help of spinning machines. After spinning, yarns are used for making fabrics. Now let us understand how yarns are converted into fabric. There are basically 4 ways to convert yarns to fabric: weaving, knitting, crochet, and felting. But mostly weaving is used to prepare fabric like cotton. In case of wool, knitting is also used. So we will study these 2 methods in detail. Weaving. Arranging 2 or more yarns together to make a fabric is called weaving. During weaving, 2 distinct sets of yarns or threads are interlaced at right angles to form a fabric or cloth. The process can be better understood by weaving strips of colored paper. Take different colored sheets of paper, cut them into thin strips and weave it as shown in the process. Weaving is done on looms. Looms can be hand operated, which is called hand loom, or it can run by electricity or can be power operated, which is called power loom. This was all about weaving. Now let's come to knitting. Knitting is a type of sewing a cloth like wool. It is a process of making textile by connecting loops or stitches of one continuous thread. Knitting can be done by hand as shown here or on a machine. So children, I hope you must have understood how a fiber changes into a yarn and how a yarn then changes into a fabric. Thank you for watching.